Got that good chip.
Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. And so today I show you how to make a DMA gradient map. Okay, let's go. But first, go to the media and select that video. Choose that video you want. Then select media and choose the image for DMA gradient image. So now split screen. So now to full screen. So now and alpha opacity, you need to 74%. Select the color inversions. So now just move this. So now color inversion like this. Let's play.
Got that good chip.
Good. Switch to the next step. Open the RAM Mega Photo. So now choose the invert filter photo. So now go to setting. And so now I made video from library. So now select video. It's so good. Look at this.
Got that good chip. Got that good chip. Got that good chip. Got that good chip.